everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can add beads into your macrame project using the wave knot. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 3 ropes to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. I'm going to take the 3 cords here on the far left and send them behind the 2 cords here in the middle to form a loop here off to the left. Then the side here on the right is going to go behind those 3, over the 2 in the middle, and then through the loop here on the left. After you pull it through, we're just going to gently pull on our ropes to tighten everything up. Now we're going to take the side here on the right. All 3 cords once again go behind the 2 in the middle. Our cord on the left goes behind the 3, over the 2, and then up through the loop. And we're going to gently pull that tight. And now we have formed the wave knot. So now we're going to do a fun variation and add beads throughout our project. Take your first bead and attach it to the single cord here on the far right. I like to use a bobby pin to help me thread my bead onto the cord. And then just gently slide it up into place so it rests right below that wave knot. Now we're going to take all 3 cords here on the left. Again, they go behind the 2 in the middle. Our single cord comes behind those 3, over the 2 in the middle, and then through the loop now on the left. After you pull it through, we just gently pull our cords to tighten everything up, making sure all 3 cords are stacked neatly together. Your little bead is going to poke out here on the right side. Okay, so you can kind of leave it a little looser than normal if you want the bead to really show up, or you can kind of just have it peek through slightly and adorably. Now we take our next bead and attach it to the cord that's now on the left side. And all we do is repeat the same steps. You can keep repeating this pattern over and over again until you have reached the desired length. And there we go. This is what it will look like once you have tied a few of those rows with the fun little beads inside the pattern. Okay, so if you turn this around, this is what your project will look like. Okay, so just a different version of that wave knot. I think it is just as beautiful and cool. So you have 2 totally unique options with adding your beads here to the wave knot. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.